how to log into TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can log into the TikTok application, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So first of all, in order to log into TikTok you must have an account, right? And before that you need to make sure you've downloaded the app. So go to your Play Store and then make sure to download the TikTok app and even update it to the latest version if you haven't already. Then we're going to open it up and then move on to the login process. So by default you have to understand that you don't really need an account to watch TikTok, because you can basically just swipe up and tap on the start watching button in order to swipe and then browse your contents just like this, as you can see. But if you do want to log into your account, then you can just tap the profile icon from the bottom right. It'll tell you sign up, tap on sign up, but we don't want to sign up, right? Because we already do have an account. So you can see login or sign up for a new account. So just tap on use email or phone number if you have, or you can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Twitter. In this case I'll just select my phone number. I'll enter my phone number here. I'll tap on the send code button. It's going to send the phone number to this code, but before that it'll ask me to verify this specific puzzle. Then once I've verified the puzzle, it's going to send a code. So I'm going to wait until I actually receive the code, right? So basically wait for a couple of minutes or even some seconds, then you should be able to receive a code, as you can see over here. Then at the background it's going to automatically verify it. Then now, as you can see, I'll be successfully logged into my Twitter account if I just come to my profile page here. This is basically on how you can log into TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.